and welcome to another update video about DOT. So DOT sees a little bit of upside pressure right now, a little bit of buying pressure after the price reacted to this key support area between $5.77 and $6.60. This is the main support area here for this corrective pullback where we hoped to see a buy reaction. Because if you remember from previous videos, I highlighted that 577 is really the key level that should hold. We've seen already in the last few days a break above resistance. It was short-lived. The price pulled back but held a higher low. If we now see a break above the Saturday high followed by a break above the upper boundary line of the trend channel, well, that could be really an indication that the fifth wave to the upside has started. I don't even have it on here on the smaller time frame chart, but we can take a quick look at the bigger picture, larger time frame chart. Let's take a look at the long-term chart. But here you can see where it should go to. I mean, ultimately here on the daily chart, yeah, I mean, this is too small, right? That reaction is way too small to be in any way reliable. So we want to see that fifth wave continue from here, or start from here actually, and it should ideally take the price to 1238, 1393 next, maybe higher, but we'll see. First of all, let's see if support actually holds, and that 570 level is crucial. Any break below that level would be a bit deep for a fourth wave and would put this short-term bullish scenario definitely into question. Could something more bullish evolve? Yes, I mean, it could morph into the yellow scenario, but for the yellow scenario, which is more bullish, as you can see, the third wave should take the price to $19.80 or higher. In the white scenario, one more high is enough, but even in the white count, we could get to 1980. The difference will be the bull's ability to hold a higher low after the next pullback. So if we get that next pullback, which could be quite substantial there in the yellow fourth wave, if we then hold a higher low, right, that could be a good, that could be another good entry point, but we don't know that yet. So for now, yellow and white move into the same direction, which is short-term up, okay? And then we'll see how the market does up here. If there's going to be an impulsive move down or a corrective pullback, either way, there should be a substantial top, because even in the yellow scenario, that pullback could be quite substantial. It could be quite substantial. It would be the same wave degree as this wave 2 that bottomed in August and that took several months, right? So either way, after the next high, there could be a substantial top. Obviously, things can change. So if we see any changes in the chart, we can always adjust. But main takeaway at the moment is that we have a small reaction to support. Bitcoin dominance is coming down. I talked about that in the Bitcoin video. Do we need that one more low? No, absolutely not. I mentioned that in the last few days. Many cryptocurrencies form corrections without that last low. It's not needed. You have to consider it until we finally break impulsively above resistance, which obviously would be preferred, right? We want to see a reversal before the market breaks below that 570 level. And then we have that corrective price channel to watch. And then the next upside level is around that 1240 mark. So let's see if we can now see that upside reversal materialize. We haven't even taken out the Friday or Saturday high. That would be the next objective for the bulls. And then we want to see this 5-wave move develop next, which would be the next confirmation that we've actually bottomed there. Overall, the invalidation point for the idea that we have bottomed, well, the only one I really have is that $6.03 level, the low from Friday, because even if the price breaks below the Sunday low again, as long as we hold above the Friday low, we could even see that fourth wave as done. But it's speculative until the market gives us further evidence, which would be a break above the Saturday high and a break out of the corrective price channel. So overall, good reaction to support. Once we break out of the price channel, if anybody added positions here, I mean, it might make sense at some point to move up the stop loss below, well, to break even at least, yeah. So yeah, that's the update about DOT. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.